Hello, my dear children. A very good day to all of you. Today, we are going to start a new chapter. Chapter 8 Refraction of Light. Form 2, first term. In our previous lesson, we have learned the reflection of light. I hope all of you have remembered about it. Today, we are going to learn about the refraction of light. Okay, let's go and see what is refraction of light. Refraction. What is refraction? It is the bending of light as it travels from one medium to another. Look at the picture very carefully. In this picture, you can see how the light ray change when it travels across the air and glass. So, we can see there is a bending of light. So, what is refraction? Yes, refraction is the changing in directions of a wave passing from one medium to another medium. In this example, there are two mediums. One is the air, the other one is the glass. So, there is a bending of light when the light ray travels across air to glass. So, my dear children, what is refraction? It is the bending of light as it travels from one medium to another medium. Okay, let's learn more about the refraction of light through air and glass. Look at the picture very carefully. In this picture, you can see the ray diagram of refraction of light. The incident ray. What is incident ray? Yes, very good. It is the ray of light that strikes a surface. So, in this picture, we can see when the incident ray comes from air to the surface of the glass, it bends towards to the normal. Look at the picture very carefully, my dear children. When the incident ray comes to the surface of glass from the air, it bends towards to the normal. Here, what happened to the refraction? Yes, then we can see there is a refracted ray. What is angle of refraction? Very good. Here, angle of refraction is the angle between the normal and the refracted ray. When we look at the picture, we can see the angle of refraction is lower than the angle of incident. Why is it? Because when the incident ray comes from the air to the glass, it bends towards to the normal. So, the angle which is in between the normal and the refracted ray gets lower. When a light ray enters the glass block from the air, it bends towards the normal. This is because glass is denser than air. A light ray travels slower across the glass block than through air. Okay, then what will happen? We can see when the refracted ray, which is going out from the glass to the air, again it bends away from the normal. So the ray which is going away from the glass to the air, we call it as the emergent ray. What is it? Emergent ray. When the ray exits the glass block and enters the air again, we can see it bends away from the normal. This is because air is less denser than glass. So, the light ray travels faster across the air. My dear children, refraction does not occur if light rays pass through the normal. The light ray will simply travel straightly through the glass block. So, keep it in your mind, when there is a refraction of light in a denser medium, the light travels slower in the medium. Then what will happen to the light rays? Yes, the light ray bends towards the normal, and the angle of refraction get decreased. Angle of refraction get decreased. Okay, now we are going to learn about refraction through water and air. My dear children, if we compare the water and the air, water is denser than the air. Now in this picture, we can see the light ray pass from a denser medium to the lower medium. The incident ray, the ray which is going from the water, and the refracted ray which is going out from the water to the air, we can see the incident ray bends away from the normal. So, in this picture, we can see the refracted ray is going away from the normal. What will happen to the angle of refraction? Yes, we can see the angle of refraction get increased. When a light ray enters to the air from the water, it bends away from the normal. This is because air is less denser than the water. So we can see the refracted ray is going away from the normal, and the angle of refraction is decreased than the angle of incidence. So my dear children, refraction in less denser medium, the light travels faster. Then the light rays bend away from the normal. So the angle of refraction get increased. Angle of refraction get increased. Okay, I hope all of you can understand how the refraction happens when it in less denser medium and a denser medium. Okay, let's see what are the applications of refraction of light. In our day-to-day life, we can see many applications of refraction of light. Look at the first picture. Yes, sometimes we can see an object in water appears near to the water surface. The person who is looking at the fish in its actual depth can see the apparent depth of the image of the fish because of this refraction of light. Have you ever looked over a fish tank and saw that the fish seems near to you? This is because light rays bends away from the normal as it leaves the water and enters the air and into your eyes. As our brain is unable to sense the bending of light, the image of the fish appears near to the water surface. In the second picture, yes, when there is a coin which is in the bottom of a glass, if we want to see it, yes, the coin appears near because of this refraction of light. Look at the third picture. An object in water appears to be bent because of the refraction of light. Light from the top of the pencil enters our ears as usual. However, light from the part of the pencil, that is the water, bends away from the normal as it enters the air and into our eyes. Since the brain is unable to sense the bending of the light caused by the refraction, the pencil appears to be bent in the water. Here, these are the applications of refraction of light. So, my dear children, I hope you have learned the refraction of light in this video. Thank you very much, my dear children. We will meet very soon. Stay safe. Goodbye.